Hey, what's up? I got a new puppy. Yup. Where's she at? In between my legs. Hold on. Got a new puppy. Right here. Her name is Bella. And she wants to play. She's in a playful mood. She's a Chorky, a Chihuahua, and a Yorkie. She's a very, very good puppy. She's high energy. And then Maddie, she's starting to adjust to her, maybe. Just a little bit. Sitting near me right now. Maddie. She's irritated with her flies. She just wants to play. She just wants to play. Hey, she just wants to play. Maddie. She just wants to play. Sounds like she's not getting used to her. Maddie. Okay. It's okay. Shh. Calm down. What? Yeah. Getting used to her a little bit, but she's still a little bit jittery. Yeah. Maddie! Goodness Lord, you about bit me! Well, I'm gonna get off of this because it's starting to get crazy. Thank you for watching.